In this video, you will learn how to test and balance the salt level in your freshwater salt system hot tub. If not kept within an acceptable range, the freshwater salt system will not function correctly. Step 1. Test the water in your hot tub with a freshwater salt test strip. For best results, do not test in direct sunlight. Remove one test strip from the bottle. Immerse the test strip in the hot tub's water for 2 seconds. Remove the test strip with the pad face up. Do not shake off excess water. Hold the test strip level for 20 seconds and compare to the color chart on the bottle. Discard the strip after 30 seconds. Step 2. Determine if action is needed. The target salt level is 1,750 parts per million. If the salt level is above 2,000 parts per million and the freshwater salt system status indicator is green, no action is needed. If the salt level is below 1,500 parts per million, the status will be yellow and your spa will require additional salt. If the status dial is in yellow or red, follow the troubleshooting steps in the Freshwater Salt System Owner's Manual. Step 3. If additional salt is needed, add 1 cup of freshwater spa salt directly into the filter compartment while the jet pump is running in its high-speed mode, and leave it running for at least 10 minutes. Step 4. Retest the water using a freshwater salt test strip. Repeat the balancing steps as necessary until a salt level between 1,500 and 2,000 parts per million, with a target of 1,750 parts per million, is reached. Follow the directions provided in the other videos in this series to continue balancing your freshwater salt system spa's water.